Will AI take over the real estate industry? I'm Brian Parsons, and I'm here to give you my answer. The quick answer is no. I don't believe that AI will take over the real estate industry. I do, in fact, believe it will help realtors, like writing descriptions. We could put an address in there, tell it a few features of the house, and 10 seconds later, we got a full description. And I think that's going to be really helpful for realtors. It might be able to give us data for the neighborhoods and tell us what's going on, and even as a buyer, recommend restaurants and schools. What I don't see it doing is telling you what's going on in the neighborhood, who lives down the street, what happens on the weekends, are they doing block parties, are they doing Christmas parties? What they don't show you on HGTV and all of these great shows is how emotional the process of buying and selling a home can be, and the AI can't be there to support you. I personally think realtors will be around for a while. We're here to support you in buying or selling and also negotiating you the best price and terms. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.